All right, bottoms and tops. How to catch bottoms and tops. Let's talk about it, baby. So you're going to go through your first job to identify and get better at trading bottoms and tops is you got to know what the hell they look like, man. Okay, you got to go and look at what they look like. So my biggest job that I tell you guys all to go and do, I beg of you to go and do this for your damn self, is to go through with your vertical timeline. So Alt V, okay, Alt V, and you're going to mark out everywhere where you want to short and where you want to long. I suggest you go through with red for short. Okay? You want to short, you want to short, you want to short. Okay? And then I suggest you go through with green for longs. Okay? You change the damn color and you go and watch what this looks like. I will start this every time. I want to long this, right? I want to long this. I want to long this. I want to long this. I want to long this, this. And you go through, your chart should look like Insano, okay? You go through and you watch it, okay? With your oscillator and with volume. Maybe even with VWAP. But I always suggest 3 things, okay? 3 things. I trade with like 5. I trade fibs, order blocks, volume, which I don't keep on my chart, VWAP, and a bit of market cipher, okay? But you go through and you watch it all. You got to understand what it looks like, right? You got to know what it looks like on your oscillator. You got to know what an SFP looks like. You got to know what bottoming structure looks like, okay? That's going to be key. When we draw it for you guys, when we give you guys the setup, okay, here's your box, okay? Here's your box. And you are in a uptrend. Okay? What are you looking for here? There's about 3 things that I'm looking for in here. I'm looking for exhaustion. Okay, so exhaustion would be candles, right? Candles failing to get above with these big wick energy, okay? I'm looking for these. I'll make it a beautiful red candle for you, or a green candle here, trying to push up. I'm looking for divergences coming in, higher highs, lower lows. Okay. I'm looking for structure changes. Okay. Market structure changes, suggesting that we have broken trend and we are heading down. Exhaustion at the highs. I'm also looking for swing failure patterns. So we get a nice little high here, boom, bye-bye. This was last night. Okay, I took the short there because I understand what an SFP looks like, right? So we go in 3-minute here, we go into last night. Exactly that. Right here, triple top. You get your high, bearish divergence, chop city, pushes up, triple top, boom, SFP. All day long. All day long will I sell this candle, right? All day long. This is at 7:30 at night, right? All day long, I will sell that candle, okay? There it is. All day long. Because I know exactly what it looks like. Made $130, right? I know exactly what it looks like. Take profit early as we dump down, stop loss to entry. I'm tired, I'm going to bed. I'll take the $100 and go to sleep. It's exactly what it looks like, right? You have to understand what it looks like. Look at the volume that comes in. Boom, volume. We are late at night. This is Asia. You do not have volume in here. This is sweep, dead. Dump, dead, okay? You need to understand what it looks like in order to trade it. Bottoms and tops, right? And that's why we take these trades. Kyle gave you this trade as well. Okay, so we do guide you as well. Okay. Bottoming structure. What is going to be the key to finding big bottoms? Okay, big booty bottoms. Okay. Your biggest tool is going to be key levels. Okay. Right. So we're looking here. How would we have gotten long here? Well, what do we have here? Golden pocket 786, right? We go to the bottom of the range here. What was it? This one, right? To where the move started. Golden pocket, bounce level, right? So being able to mark up your chart correctly with key levels. Looks like a gong show in here, right? I don't remove them. I know where they all are. I'll slide them over as they become more relevant. But I know what they are, right? I'm marking them out every single day for you guys. I have my support and resistance levels that I'm very well aware of. So these key levels are going to give me areas of confluence that I'm going to be able to take trades at. Build out your charts. Be prepared, right? A prepared trader is a profitable trader, right? So if we're looking at this chart now, CVO is giving you all these pivot points and targets and where we're looking to go, right? We said to you guys yesterday, if we hold 84,000, we're looking to come up to the top of the range. If we are treating this as a range, we have a massive volume level here. This is why I gave you guys the bounce level on my charts last night, all at 84,000. Because 84,000 is a massive volume level that we had broken out of yesterday. So if we are going to hold 84,000, we are going to the top of the range. Very basic, but would have made you a lot of money. Okay. This bounce here, what is that? That's a golden pocket level. To the tits. Okay. 4-hour bullish divergence. Change in structure. Okay. All price is fractal, right? We have a double bottom bullish divergence, mitigation of the high, higher low, continuation pattern. We get long on this bitch all day long. Okay? That's bottoming structure. And this is the same thing as it is on the 3-minute, as it is on the 15-minute, on the same as the 4-minute, as the same as the daily. What do we have up at the top here? Daily. Bearish divergence. In an uptrend. So we want confirmation. What do we get? Breakdown, mitigation of the low. Boom. What do we get? Retest. Continuation down. Okay, it's the same thing. Higher term time frames. The same thing. Obviously, it's easy to see in the past. We want to teach you how to see it as price materializes. Okay, that's why you go back and you study what it looks like here and here and here. And you understand this so you can apply it to live trading. Right? So when we go into the 12-minute time frame and we're flying up the wazoo here and we have bullish momentum, we're drawing our momentum line. If this breaks and we lose structure here, we have exhaustion up at the highs. We are hitting a 786 level right now. Right? 786. We zoom out because we did top-down analysis and we went from swing high to swing low. And we have our 786 level here. Bang. We have our naked point of control right here. Bang. Right? So we're hitting a key level right now. This is make or break. Can we hold this range or are we going to get rejected back down? Trump tariffs, 4 o'clock, right? We understand our environment. We understand we're overextended. We're coming into resistance right now. Either we're flagging. We have two options here. We're flagging and we're continuing. Or we're swinging up here, getting rejected and going down. We wait for the break of structure. We get short on that break of structure. We take it down to key levels below us. And we do that over and over again while practicing good risk management. So that's how I suggest identifying bottoms, knowing what they look like on every single time frame, because they are all the same. Every time frame is fractal. It's going to help you identify when to get in, when not to get in, when to stay out of a trade. We are not looking for shorts yet. Yes, we hit our key level to the tits. Congratulations. You could be a degen and try to catch the short from there. But you might have tried to catch the short from this key level here because we had one there. Okay, we had a pink level right there. And guess what? It blasted right through it. because we're in a heavy momentum trade right now. Right? So our key levels can be thrown at the wall if we're blasting through like we are right now. We want to go on confirmation, breaking the low, retesting, down we go. Easy stop loss, good R multiple. Okay? If this, then that. We also show you, and there's lots of videos telling you how to get onto trend. That's why I gave you this idea right when we started this stream.